2020 was quite a year. Am I right? The COVID outbreak, the 12 plagues of 2020, the election. It was quite a year. Were you one of the millions of Americans who lost their jobs, their livelihood, their income during this time? For those of you who don't know me, my name's Lauren, aka the Solutionist. I help people to restore and remaster their credit profiles so they can make the big purchases they need to grow. If you lost your job or your livelihood during the COVID pandemic outbreak, did you have 6 months of emergency reserves? Most Americans do not. You're not alone. Most Americans do not. They live paycheck to paycheck, hand to mouth. If something happens to their mode of income, it's only a matter of time before they've lost everything. So do you have the 6 months of emergency reserves, cash in the bank? Good news. When you have Rockstar credit, you have access to the emergency reserves you and your family needs to make it through trying and difficult times. If you have questions on how you would create these reserves to create the security for your family, make sure you reach out. We are educators, we're advocates. We're here to teach you the rules of the credit game. We want you to know who the players are, but most importantly, we want you to know how to win the credit game. If you need to have 6 months of emergency reserves, the good news is it doesn't need to be cash in a bank account. You don't need to stuff it in a mattress. Great credit can ensure that you and your family have the emergency funds in case you have a big event, like a health event, or you lose your job, or you have a large repair on your home. Rockstar Credit is options. Rockstar Credit is access to money. Please make sure you ask. Let us help you to gain access to these options, to gain access to these monies. I hope you found intense value here in this video today. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to Total Solution Trust. You won't want to miss out on the information we'll be bringing forth on how to restore and leverage your credit profile to create new streams of income. Again, I'm Lauren Dilgeru, aka the Solutionist, here to help you restore and remaster your credit profile so you can make the purchases your family needs to grow. Until next time.